This is the simplest fried chicken recipe you can do. So kung mayroon akong whole chicken, ito siya, Korean style yung gagawin natin.
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha-ha.
And bubuksan ko siya from the back now. So ito yung backbone. Gugupitin ko lang siya using my poultry scissors. So spatchcock, no? Yan. So it cooks quicker. Break lang natin. Breast. Open it up. And we will score leg, thigh, wing. Ito sa joint. Ito yung matagal maluto. And the breast, kailangan din natin i-score. Yan. So ito yung chicken natin sa around 900 grams. The thick part, cut. And to marinate, it's so simple. Gagawin natin dito ay we will just rub it with Korean chili paste or GOCHUJANG. Tama ba? Very nice, very flavorful. Yan. Be sure that it's well covered. So I'm using around 2 tablespoons. And I will just rinse my hands and we will go to the next step. To make the breading, it's so simple. We will just use a combination of flour and cornstarch. The cornstarch is a secret ingredient kasi siya ay nagpapa-crispy sa ating chicken. Flour around half a cup and half a cup as well of cornstarch. And our oil, mainit na yung ating oil. Yan. Salt, of course. Around half a teaspoon of salt. Combine everything. So, we coat our chicken starch mixture. Be sure it's well coated. Ganyan. Ito, nagmamadali kayo. Ito yung magandang gawin, no? And because we cut it into half, it cooks much quicker. Yan. And we're ready to fry. Again, careful. Outward, dito sa atin, malapit. Outward. And it's very hot. And we will turn our chicken over. Ingat, careful. Very nice. Careful. Yan, no? Ganda ng kulay. Yan. Medyo dark siya because of the chili, no? Pero tingnan natin na to make sure na luto siya. If you don't have a thermometer, the easiest way is to sukin mo. Pag bloody pa siya, ibig sabihin, yan, we're ready to plate. And we will serve our chicken with some pickled vegetables and sweet chili sauce. Dip lang natin. Of course, kailangan natin ng rice dito. Bakit walang rice? And here it is, our Korean style whole fried chicken, Simpol.